In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find journals on Xero. If you're new to Xero, or even if you've been using it for a while, navigating through its various features can sometimes feel like trying to find a needle in a haystack, especially when you're looking for something particular like journals. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to walk you through each step so you can easily locate your journals within minutes. Whether you're reconciling accounts, conducting an audit, or simply need to review your financial transactions, being able to access your journals in Xero is crucial. Let's dive right in and begin our journey. First off, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Xero website. Once you've logged into your account, the adventure begins. The first destination on our map is the accounting section. If you don't spot it right away, no worries. Just scan the main navigation bar or menu where you'll find it among the options. Although website layouts can change, this feature is foundational, so it should be easy to locate. Give it a click, and you'll uncover a treasure trove of accounting features and tools waiting for you to explore. Now that you've entered the accounting section, the quest continues to find the manual journals option. This might sound a bit technical, especially if you're not accustomed to accounting jargon, but manual journals are simply the entries made by you or your accountant to track non-standard transactions. Select Manual Journals, and you'll soon reach a crucial landmark in our journey. From here, you'll want to click on All. Doing so provides you with a comprehensive view of every journal that's been created or auto-generated by Xero during your financial escapades. This broad overview is perfect for getting a bird's-eye view of your journal entries. At this point, you should see a list of all your journals in Xero. Although the process is straightforward, I've got some tips to streamline your experience even further. If you're hunting for a specific journal or transaction, use the search and filter options. Xero offers robust search tools that let you refine your list by criteria like dates, amounts, or keywords. This method can quickly guide you to the details you need without the hassle of manually sorting through entries. It's also helpful to familiarize yourself with the layout and information displayed in your journal list. Each entry provides key details at a glance, such as the date, description, and amount. By clicking on any specific journal entry, you can delve deeper to edit or review the information as needed. Remember, regularly setting aside time to review your journals in Xero can give you valuable insights into your financial health and help you catch any discrepancies early. While it may seem like a minor part of financial management, it's essential for maintaining accurate and transparent records. And there you have it. That's how you can find journals on Xero with just a few simple clicks. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or an accountant, knowing how to navigate and harness this feature can save you time while offering deeper insights into your financial data. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this has demystified the process for you. I encourage you to continue exploring and familiarizing yourself with Xero's many features because practice truly makes perfect. For more tips, tricks, and tutorials on maximizing your financial software, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Happy accounting!